Hi everyone, it's JP here. So in today's session, we are going to learn how to create an EC2 instance with Windows. Okay, so first log in into your console. Go to EC2. You can see here that no instance is running till it. So you'll go for this to launch an instance. Give some name here. You can give anything. I will just give the VM. Then we will go and select that OS, that is Windows. So automatically it is going to take that free tiers whatever is eligible. So we're not going to change that and we'll just leave it as is. Okay. So we are going to create a new key pair for this. So we'll give today's date here, 28 to 23. Leave it as a PM only. Create this. So we are not going to change anything network settings. If you want to have our own VPC and all, then we can go here and check. That will do later once we are going to showcase in VPC how to develop and all. But the right now just leave it as is. There is no changes. Yeah. And we'll configure storage also. We are not going to change anything. It is a default 30 GB that is eligible for the free tier also. So we'll just create this instance. So instance is created. It is just initializing. Once it's started, it will go for some checkings, health checks. So once everything is clear, it will be all green. So just wait for some couple of minutes. You can see the instance is running. We'll just check for that status. It is initialization only. So once that is green, then we can go ahead and connect. Trying to connect. So you, and when you are selecting this, it is going to give you all those configurations what we have selected. So you can see this is the private IP. The public IP is assigned. And VPC we have not changed anything, so it is all default only. So what key pair we have created, you can see it here. What is the name of key pair? Sometimes if we are working 2 3 instances on a different and we are having that naming conventions following with that date and all, it sometimes you have to check what is given, and for that it is good to have this kind of details. Still it is initializing. So for the security and other things like this, right? Security groups, inbound rules, these things will cover in VPC, because when you wanted to restrict something, some IPs and all, these are the groups that we need to take care, where we can assign the things like NSCL and security groups to manage that access from which IP we wanted to flow the traffic and all. So those things will cover. We're just waiting for to be come up this instance. No, why it is taking too much time. So now it is, you can see it is all green, and now we can go and connect. So we'll select this and we'll go for the RDP client. And here accessing this RDP client is little bit different from that when you are accessing the Linux or Ubuntu or some other OS. So to get the password, we'll just click on the get password. We'll upload our PM key where we have uh, downloaded. So we'll see this one is there, and we'll just select this. So, and once you'll decrypt this, it will give you the password. So you can see here the password is generated. So you can copy it here and download this remote desktop file. Open it. So you already is having that administrator, right? And password what you have just copied, you have to paste it here and put OK. So now you can see it is opening your remote desktop. So it is just initializing the things for the Windows what it is created, and it will be a 30 GB disk space uh, virtual machine that will see and verify also. You can see this is the VM that we have just created, the TC2. You can see that VM's configurations also, and you'll come to know that what is the IP it is having. You can see 213.189, right? 213.189. And so once we are going on this, so here it is giving all the details for this VM, and we'll just see that what is the size of this computer. So you can see so 30 GB. Under this 16.1 GB is free, and others it is going to just use for itself only to make the things up. That's why the 30 GB is by default it's giving. So 16 GB anyway is good to go for the things what we are doing, what we are going to do. So it is just for the learning purpose. So hope it is clear that how to access this. Okay. So just put your comments and feedbacks in the comment sections, and do like and subscribe this channel. And thanks for watching this guy. I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for your time. Bye.